Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev here, and I have my Traxxas Slash 1x10 two-wheel drive with OBA. That's the onboard audio, and that's a pretty impressive feature in this truck right here. And we're going to be running it a little bit with the OBA on, and we'll see how it is. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave a like, guys. Thanks a lot for watching RC Overdose. was the power of this Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive on 1500 milliamp 2-cell LiPo battery, 7.4 volts, and it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty nice, and I hope you enjoyed this little OBS session right here. And I'll be back with like another close-up video with the Slash, because I really like to drive behind the truck. I really like to record from behind the truck and everything. So I'm gonna do that, and I hope you guys watch that video as well. And thanks a lot for watching RC Overdose, guys. Stay in touch. Peace. Have a great day.